How to sew a zipper fly. Given that you already have your fly pieces cut out, go ahead and take the two curved pieces, put them right sides together, and stitch along the curve. I am sewing with a 1/4 inch allowance here. Cut away the excess fabric and turn this bad boy right sides out. And yes, you guessed right, I have fusible interfacing on the wrong sides of my fly pieces. To get this nice and flat, give it a press with your iron. Take the rectangular piece and fold it right sides together. Stitch along the bottom edge, clip away the excess fabric in the corner. Turn that right side out and give that a nice press as well. I'm using an 8-inch zipper, but if you choose to use a 10-inch zipper, that's fine. You want to take that zipper and put that with the right side facing up on the raw edge of the rectangular piece and stitch from top to bottom. As you can see, I had to slide the zipper pull out of the way to get to the top. Take the left side of the front of your pants or shorts and put the raw edge of the zipper and the rectangular piece in line with it and stitch like I'm doing here. You want to stitch just to about 1/2 inch below the metal bar that's on your zipper and put a clip into the fabric just like this. Top stitch the zipper seam. Put the curve of the fly piece below the metal bar on the zipper and mark at the top where it matches the waistline of the pants. You can use a chalk or scissors to do this. Now you're going to align that mark with the waistline of the other front piece of the pants and stitch them together like this. Put another clip just below that curve. Turn the fly piece away from the pants and understitch the allowance. Fold it to the back and match it with the other side of the pants. Catch the zipper on that curved piece, pin it to the fly piece, and stitch like this. Now it's time to stitch the center front of the pants right below that zipper fly. Unzip the fly and top stitch the curved fly piece. Once you're done with that, pull the zipper up and sew the curved section once more, but this time the next fly piece will be stitched as well. And voila, a zipper fly.